Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to unmute someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to unmute someone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that open the chat box of the person whom you had muted, and you can see the guys I had muted a chat of myself over here, and at the right side of the screen there is the muted sign available for us. In a similar way, if you had muted somebody on WhatsApp, that kind of muted sign will be available. Open the chat box, and after opening the chat box at the top of the screen, you can see their name. Tap on their name, and over here you can see the notifications and sounds option available for us. Tap on notifications and sounds, and over here you can see the toggle icon turn on for mute notifications. And now to unmute them, tap on the toggle icon and that will be unmuted. And with that being said guys, this is how to unmute someone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.